For example, I want to remove the FM radio app because it's a pre-installed app that I never use. I tap Uninstall, then tap OK. After it's successfully removed, the app will move to this section. If we check the phone, you can see that the FM radio app is no longer there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shizuku and Canta on Android. One of the main functions of these two apps is that they allow us to remove system apps or apps that normally cannot be uninstalled. As we know, there are many Android system apps that are rarely used or even never used at all. Instead of letting them take up storage space on your phone, you can use Shizuku and Canta to remove those apps safely. You don't need to worry because if something goes wrong later, we can restore the deleted apps without causing any risk to your device. So first, go ahead and install both apps, Shizuku and Canta. After installing them, let's activate Shizuku first. Tap on Pairing, then go to Developer Options. If Developer Options is not enabled on your phone yet, please enable it first. You can watch my video from the link above for a detailed guide. Next, inside Developer Options, enable USB debugging and wireless debugging. After that, tap wireless debugging again and enter the pairing code from the notification bar. Once it's successful, go back to Shizuku and tap Start. When Shizuku is running, tap Authorized Apps and enable Canta here. Now you can open the Canta app. Here, all apps will appear automatically, including system apps. For example, I want to remove the FM radio app because it's a pre-installed app that I never use. I tap Uninstall, then tap OK. After it's successfully removed, the app will move to this section. If we check the phone, you can see that the FM radio app is no longer there. All apps removed using Canta will appear in this section. If you want to restore an app, just check the app, tap Restore, and the app will come back. So, as you can see, using Shizuku and Canta is very easy.